teaching learning process as a professionalism, developing my own profession, how a teacher, how an English teacher needs to be in a state of Karnataka. That I have really made myself ready to make a change, because when I entered as an English teacher, I was always told that English should be taught in English alone, and that must be enriched. English must be enriched so that the children learning English would go in their professional wise. And because we have already told that Karnataka people get very less job in ITPT companies. Why? It is only because they don't focus on English language. So all these things was in my mind, of course. I had a great passion thinking that yes, I am going to do something that my students will get a job in the ITPT companies. But it was really, assumption, myth, I can say, that I had something in my mind. Only thing is just to promote English language in my school. But whereas when I entered MTech model preparation workshop, I was guided by Sir and Hitesh Bhagat Sir, and even Ajim Premji Foundation faculty members about this multilingualism. And I was made known that how the language, multilingualism is not only the language that comes into mind, but it accompanies with the culture, it accompanies with the practice, it accompanies with the dress code, eating, each and every thing that a child does it. And it does it on its own. It is not forced to do anything. Suppose eating, it is not forced. Whereas when it comes to learning English, it is forced. Like learning English, you must learn in English only, sir. This, I have changed my perception of how actually multilingualism could be used in classes, particularly English classes, and I have made many attempts of many TLM's preparation, many writing materials also for the sake of children, so that through their language they could pick some English context. And I'm very particular that they must know the context, they must know the main theme of the thing, any prose or poetry very particularly. So this I was very particular in, and these things are on due course of time only. I just picked up few things. Every year there was a development. It's not that I'm going to develop the students, it is my personal development, my professional development that I have made in this run in my career. And this, I didn't know that this stage I will come and stand on preparing a multilingual purposeful module for the teacher and for the sake of the students only. In turn, I will be entering into every school, and the team will be entering into every school, every child's life. So this is an amazing experience that has brought me. I am really proud to, I just could lift up my head and say, before they were telling me, see, British hodrunu, English teachers hodala. They used to say. When we were cascading the English training, they used to say, even if the Britishers go away, this English teachers, English training armies are just eating our heads, they used to say. We used to feel a little guilty. Now I'm just my head up saying that I can do it even in your language, where you can be comfortable with me. And my teacher friends are really comfortable with me when I started cascading the MT training modules. And now I'm feeling more confidence than cascading in English. British Council training and all, we cascaded in English to English only. And now I'm feeling more confident. I've been recognized in a larger way. Like I can see myself in their hearts. And I feel, oh my God, this is really a professionalism. This is really a development in our career, that when we are accessible, when we are available for the teacher friends, that is only a great thing. So it's a great experience. I really thank you for this great opportunity that I'm a part of this module, and I found many friends. So I am known to the South Indian people.